monologuing. Just don't ignore. Don't mind me.
That heavy ass
truck. He's so quiet.
This is a V6.
Oh.
With some revs.
No. He probably like, I'm not trying to draw for attention. Wait.
Send it!
No! What the fuck? Like, he's like, fuck you, I'm gonna go slow. Hey, fucking do it for Dale. What is that? Do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale. What's that one Honda came?
Fucking psycho. I forgot to hit the record button.
Oh, that's the S13.
It looks like you care about his car too much. I'm just here.
He ain't gonna do it, run. That was too new.
Oh yeah.
Tires ain't cheap.
Who about to run into the back of him? He tailgating the hell out of that car. Team Honda!
Oh shit, that's that car. It can get louder.
They need pressure him to do it. I hate when they're facing like this way. I'm like, and is that a fucking Mustang?
E36, you gotta do something. Oh, you saw it. Yeah, he always do some shit crazy. I didn't realize what it was. Like, I don't know his name, but I know that car.
That truck was almost running through the back of, like, what the fuck?
Like, what the fuck?
Like, I'm trying to entertain here. Just waiting for it. He's like, get out of my way. I've seen that car before though. I'm gonna flash him. Hold on. What? You dickhead.
You know about gay?
What?
It's like they said that, like, gay.
I can't even see it now. Crazy fuckers. No! Oh, it's a lady. They drive crazy anyway.
I'm pretty sure these the guys that was at H2O.
Oh, yeah.
The way they
fucking send it!
Fucking send it.
Do it for Dale!
Like, gay.
Are you serious?
Yes, it sounds like they sang that. I think the next car I put on, let's see.
I just want to.
It sounds like something with a G on like gay.
Dude, I want to get them like throwing cigarettes at each other. I know. Oh. I knew that's what they was gonna do.
What's up with that? I don't know who this LS
Yo, what the fuck was that about? Oh yeah, I seen her at the Good Vibes meet. I think it's a chick that drives this. I think it's a chick that drives this. She was at the Good Vibes meet a while back.
All it needed to be purple and it'd be good.
No purple. What are you gonna do? Haha, it's lit. I've always seen that blue one, but I've never seen the owner.
Damn, that's a good picture right there.
Where? If my camera was working. I know.
Yeah, I got to see some of those videos.
They're pretty gone. Hold on. Was it Wednesday? You see this past week?
See, he drives one like that. I don't think that's him. Oh, he's from New Jersey too. Battle game's over. They're setting up the lead. With the homie right here. Mr. Keon. Yo, it was like weird for him to like know me from like YouTube. It was like so weird. Like when people come up from YouTube. Yo, hold up. Me and this fucking Miata just fucking did like 2 pulls. My slow ass Honda. I'm trying to get him to do it again. Hold up. Cause he did it and I did it. Cause we got in front of like a fucking bunch of traffic. Bro, I think he's about to exit. Yeah, he's fucking taking the exit. Shit. Where'd he go? There he goes. Bye, Miata! Yo, what's up? Just got in. It's like, what the fuck time is it? It's 11:41. Yo, like I said, bruh, I'm never. Now I see why I don't go in Baltimore anymore, and why I hate going into Baltimore, why I stopped going into Baltimore. I used to go a lot, actually. I mean, but it was worth going to Battle Gang, but never again, dude. Like, somebody else gonna have to drive or something. Peace, and I'm out. Oh yeah, too. And another thing, shout out to the homie Keon. Not Keon Rockoff Johnson, but Keon, like, he watches the vlogs. Yo, it was so weird seeing someone that actually watch my vlogs there. That's not like another YouTuber and stuff, but it was nice meeting you, homie. Hopefully I'll meet you again, but I'm not coming out in Baltimore anymore. I can't do it, bro.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.